In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact page on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're building a website for a personal project or a small business, having a contact page is essential for allowing your visitors to get in touch with you. Let's get started by navigating to Google Sites. You can simply use your preferred search engine and type in Google Sites. Look for the official site link that appears first. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the Google Sites homepage. Here, you'll see a list of any sites you've created previously, or you might just have the option to start fresh if this is your first visit. Choose the site where you would like to add your contact page by simply clicking on it. Now that you're on your site's dashboard, let's proceed to add that all-important contact page. Direct your attention to the menu on the right side of the screen and click on the Pages tab. This section lets you manage the various pages on your site. To add a new page, we need to click on the plus icon at the bottom. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new page. Let's call it Contact, as this will be the central place for your contact details. After typing in the name, click on Done. Your new page, titled Contact, is now created. It automatically appears in your site's navigation menu. You might want to customize the appearance of the contact page's title, so it stands out more. Click on the page title Contact to highlight it, and you'll see options to change the font style, make it bold, or even alter the color to better fit your overall site theme. Now let's start populating the contact page with relevant information. Click on the Insert tab, then select the Text Box option to add a new text box to your page. Here is where you can include all your necessary contact information, things like your email address, phone number, or even social media links if you want people to reach you through those platforms. After embedding your contact details, you might want to give your page a personal touch that aligns with the rest of your site. You can do this by switching the site theme. Head over to the Themes tab where you'll have a variety of themes to choose from. Select a theme that suits your style. You can also mix and match colors and fonts until you achieve the look and feel that you desire. When you're satisfied with how your contact page looks and all the information is in place, it's time to make it live. Hit the Publish button in the top right corner. This will save all your changes and update your site with the new contact page, making it accessible to visitors. Congratulations! You've just created an interactive and customized contact page on your Google site. Now anyone visiting your site can easily find the information they need to get in touch with you. Thanks for watching, and happy website editing.